The Milwaukee Mate Fuelable in Half, a router offers top-notch cordless performance with 2.25 peak horsepower and over 225 linear feet of runtime per charge. Its power-state brushless motor ensures clean and precise cuts with less bogged down under load. RedLink Plus Intelligence provides maximum performance and protection from overload, overheating, and over-discharge. The ergonomic body grip and over-mold pommels offer the best control and comfort during applications. The Mate Red Lithium High Output EXCA 6.0 battery pack provides up to 225 linear feet per charge for tough jobs. The variable speed dial allows adjustments from 25K to 12K RPM, optimizing cuts across various materials. A micro adjust knob and macro adjust button enable fast, accurate depth adjustments. The cordless router features dual LED lights, a spindle lock for quick bit changes, and compatibility with the Milwaukee and a half router plunge base. The Ego Commercial 8 CFM Backpack Blower is a powerful and versatile battery-powered blower designed for commercial use. With 800 CFM airflow and speeds up to 190 mph, it delivers performance equivalent to a 60cc gas engine. The blower features a high-performance 1900 brushless motor and a digital display for battery level and speed settings. It offers an adjustable hand grip and tube, commercial-grade construction, and IPX5 rated weather resistance. The blower can run up to 240 minutes on low, 60 minutes on high, and 50 minutes on turbo with 250/60 12.0 ARC lithium batteries. Though it is a bit pricey, the Ego Commercial 8 CFM Backpack Blower is a worthwhile investment for professionals needing a durable and long-lasting blower for tough conditions. The Ridgid R48 600 Dewalt brushless 6.5 inches track saw is a cordless track saw powered by an 18V max output battery, delivering up to 5,000 RPM of corded cutting performance. It features bevel cuts up to 47 degrees and a depth of cut of 2.8 in at 90 degrees on the track. The built-in retractable riving knife allows plunge cuts, and it has an easy-to-read depth scale, anti-tip adjustment knobs, and a cut window. The saw's swivel dust port ensures excellent dust collection. The included track has a rubber cut strip for precise cutting, and it is compatible with all Ridgid 18V. Backed by the Ridgid Lifetime Service Agreement, it is a powerful and versatile cordless track saw ideal for precise and accurate cuts. The Dewalt Next Gen FLEXTORQ impact driver bits are engineered for durability and performance. With a redesigned tip geometry for a precise fit, they reduce cam out and screw heads. The extended FLEXTORQ zone absorbs impact, prolonging the bit's life. The bits are CNC machined for precision and have laser etch size markings for easy identification. The magnetic screw lock sleeve minimizes drops and wobbles. Available in various sets including 32-piece, 40-piece, and 60-piece, they come with a variety of bits such as Phillips, Posey, slotted, and Torx. Overall, these impact driver bits are ideal for reliable and precise performance in impact driving applications. The Milwaukee Mate Fuel 16 Gauge straight finish nailer offers peak productivity at the job site, providing unmatched nailing performance without the need. With a nitrogen air spring mechanism, it consistently sinks nails to the required depth in hard and soft woods, leaving clean nail holes for repeatable and easy results. The power-state brushless motor and RedLink Plus Intelligence, along with the nitrogen air spring, deliver a pneumatic-like nailing response with no ramp-up time, ensuring productivity and efficiency. Its compact and ergonomic design allows access to tight spaces, reducing fatigue during use. With an Mate Red Lithium CP 2.0 battery pack, it fires up to 700 nails per charge and is fully compatible with all Mate Red Lithium batteries, providing the convenience of cordless while delivering the performance demanded by professional carpenters and remodelers. The Milwaukee Mate Fuel and Life X impact driver with one key stands out as the most powerful and fastest driving impact driver, offering ultimate trigger control. Its power-state brushless motor provides unmatched power for a wide range of applications, ensuring productivity on the job site with the fastest driving speed without compromising control. RedLink Plus Intelligence enables smooth acceleration for small fasteners, preventing stripping or damage to materials. The Makita red lithium battery packs deliver extended work per charge and lifespan. The 4-mode drive control grants operators greater speed and power control. The self-tapping screw mode speeds up installation while protecting fasteners and materials. With one-key technology, users can customize, track, and manage the impact driver, saving up to 4 task settings directly to the tool and enabling tracking to protect against loss or theft. The Ryobi 40 VHP IP brushless 20-inch chainsaw is a cordless chainsaw with a powerful 48-H brushless motor for longer runtime and increased power. It has a 20-inch bar-end chain suitable for cutting logs up to 36 inches in diameter. The chainsaw features an automatic oiler, a chain brake, and metal bucking spikes for safety. It comes with a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. However, it can be noisy and may not match the power of a gas chainsaw. It is a good option for homeowners needing occasional use for tree trimming and brush clearing with its lightweight design and tool-less chain tensioning system. A carrying case is included for convenience. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus 8AA and 12AH high-performance batteries provide up to 40% more power and 10 times more runtime than standard Ryobi 18V batteries. They feature premium 21,700 cells and a CoolCore Pro heat management system for long-lasting performance. These batteries are compatible with all Ryobi 18V 1 Plus tools, making them versatile for various equipment. They are ideal for demanding applications like woodworking, construction, and landscaping. However, they are a bit expensive and not as lightweight as some other batteries. Overall, the Ryobi 18F 1 Plus 8AA and 12AH lithium high-performance batteries are a durable and powerful choice for professionals and DIYers alike. The Ryobi 18V 1 Plus HP brushless 5-inch handheld tile laser saw is a cordless saw that uses a 5-inch diamond blade to cut through various materials. It has a 1/5-inch cut depth at 90 degrees and can be beveled up to 45 degrees. Powered by an 18V 1 Plus battery, it can cut over 100 linear feet of tile on a single charge. The saw features an onboard water reservoir to keep the blade cool and reduce dust. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Overall, the Ryobi 18E 1 Plus HP brushless 5-inch handheld tile half-mastery saw is a great choice for occasional use. It provides the convenience of cordless operation and has a long runtime. However, it may not match the power of corded tile saws, and the blades can be expensive. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.